Welcome back to my channel. I'm in my car. I just picked up a new pair of boots. As you can see, I bought some Red Wing boots again. I have now 3 pairs of Red Wing Iron Rangers, and these ones are not the Iron Rangers. So yeah, I'm gonna open the box so you can see. It's my first pair of black boots actually, and these are the Blacksmith 3345, as you can see. And these are black, but the inside of the boots are brown. So what that means is with some wear and with time, a lot of this brown color will shine through these black ones. So it eventually will have some brown spots shining through here, especially, and on the toes. So as you can see, the whole inside of the boots are brown. It's my first pair of Blacksmith boots, and these boots are made, you see the date there. So I'm really looking forward to use them. It's a beautiful looking boot, and I can't wait to start breaking them in. I have bought several boots now, probably more than I should, but now I'm not going to buy any boots anytime soon. So if you want to see the aging progress on these boots, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have several boot videos out now, and I don't have so many subscribers yet, but I hope that will increase with time. And please hit the notification button and subscribe button, and follow my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Here's the other boot as well. There it is. They look really nice, as you can see. Okay, I will keep you posted and updated on the progress. And I have several pairs of boots, so if you have any requests, just send me a DM and I will answer you back. Thanks you for watching. Bye bye.